Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Why retiring older diesel trucks is key to a cleaner environment. Diesel trucks have been workhorses for decades, but older models come with serious environmental costs. They emit higher levels of harmful pollutants, including nitrogen oxides and particulate matter, that contribute to air pollution and public health issues. Retiring these older vehicles isn't just about compliance with stricter regulations, it's a step toward cleaner air and a healthier planet. By replacing them with cleaner alternatives, we can reduce emissions dramatically and create a more sustainable future for everyone. The environmental toll of older diesel trucks. Older diesel trucks pose significant environmental challenges. These vehicles, while reliable, contribute to pollution that harms our air quality and public health. Let's explore some of the specific ways these trucks impact the environment. High emission levels. Older diesel trucks emit much higher levels of greenhouse gases than their modern counterparts. The combustion process in these engines leads to the release of substantial amounts of carbon dioxide, CO2, and nitrogen oxides, NOx. According to estimates, older diesel engines can produce up to 20 times more NOx compared to newer models. As CO2 accumulates in the atmosphere, it contributes to global warming, while nitrogen oxides worsen smog and respiratory issues. Retiring these aging vehicles means fewer emissions, which is a critical step toward mitigating climate change and protecting public health. Particulate matter pollution. The issue of particulate matter is another serious concern. Particulate matter, often referred to as PM, consists of tiny particles that can penetrate deep into the lungs and even enter the bloodstream. Older diesel engines are notorious for their high PM emissions. These particles are linked to numerous health problems, including asthma, heart disease, and decreased lung function. By replacing older trucks with cleaner alternatives, we can significantly reduce the amount of harmful particulate matter released into the air, improving air quality for everyone. Inefficient fuel combustion. Older diesel engines are known for inefficient fuel combustion. This inefficiency leads to higher fuel consumption and greater greenhouse gas emissions per mile traveled. While newer diesel engines utilize advanced technology to maximize fuel efficiency, older models lack these improvements. This increased resource usage not only affects the environment but also contributes to higher operational costs for fleet owners. Transitioning to more efficient vehicles can decrease fuel costs while minimizing the negative environmental impact. Impact on urban air quality. Urban areas often bear the brunt of air pollution from older diesel trucks. The high density of traffic, combined with the emissions from these outdated vehicles, contributes to poor air quality in cities. When many older trucks traverse the same routes, their collective emissions can severely degrade air conditions. This pollution can lead to health advisories during high smog days, impacting everyone, especially vulnerable populations such as children and the elderly. Reducing the number of aging diesel trucks can help improve urban air quality, making cities healthier places to live and work. Making the decision to retire older diesel trucks is more than an operational choice. It's a proactive step toward safeguarding our environment and well-being. Environmental benefits of retiring older diesel trucks. As we look at the environmental implications of older diesel trucks, it's clear that retiring these vehicles yields a wealth of benefits. By taking older models off the road, we can significantly reduce emissions, improve air quality, and encourage the adoption of cleaner technologies. Let's explore these aspects in detail. Reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. Retiring older diesel trucks leads to a substantial reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, primarily carbon dioxide, CO2, and methane. Older engines operate less efficiently, resulting in higher emissions while they transport goods. By removing these outdated vehicles from the roads, we can slash the amount of CO2 entering the atmosphere. This is crucial in combating climate change. Each newer truck on the road emits fewer harmful gases, making a tangible difference in our efforts to reduce the carbon footprint associated with transportation. Improved air quality. Another significant advantage of retiring older diesel trucks is the improvement in air quality. These vehicles are notorious for their emissions of nitrogen oxides, NOx, and particulate matter, which can lead to smoggy conditions and health problems. Modern trucks are designed to emit far fewer pollutants. When older trucks are phased out, we see a corresponding drop in harmful pollutants. This shift enhances the air we breathe and contributes to healthier communities, especially in urban areas where air quality issues are more pronounced. Lower fuel consumption. Fuel efficiency plays a key role in environmental impact. Older diesel trucks typically consume more fuel due to their outdated technology. In contrast, newer models are engineered for improved fuel economy. This means they can travel further on less fuel, reducing overall consumption and lowering greenhouse gas emissions per mile. By investing in modern vehicles, fleets can lower their operating costs while simultaneously making a positive environmental impact. Encouragement for clean technology. Phasing out older diesel trucks also drives the industry toward embracing cleaner technologies. As demand for newer, more efficient vehicles increases, manufacturers are more likely to innovate and invest in electric or hybrid options. This shift not only reduces reliance on fossil fuels but also opens up new pathways for sustainable transportation solutions. Industries will feel the push to prioritize cleaner technology, moving toward a future where transportation is less harmful to the planet. Reduction in noise pollution. Beyond air and fuel, newer vehicles also address the issue of noise pollution. Older diesel trucks can be incredibly loud, contributing to a cacophony that affects both quality of life and wildlife. In contrast, modern trucks are designed to operate more quietly. By reducing noise pollution, we improve not just human health but also create a better habitat for local flora and fauna. Quieter streets lead to a more serene environment, enhancing urban living conditions. Retiring older diesel trucks offers a pathway not just for cleaner air but also for a healthier planet overall. It emphasizes the importance of updating our fleet with innovative technology and sustainable practices. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore solutions to help transition to cleaner, more sustainable trucking. Don't go anywhere. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.